What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival, a really special one, 1969 Chevelle SS 396, numbers matching. This car is a treat. It runs great, bench seat, column shift, 12-bolt rear end, of course, turbo 400, disc brakes, dual exhaust, just runs great. You got your bench seat, your engine compartment, not completely stock. You got an intake manifold and carburetor on there, 4-barrel HEI ignition. So it's gotten woken up, but man, is it a nice car and a wonderful car to take out to a car show. It'll grab a lot of looks. That butternut yellow color, just iconic. Black stripe, correct wheels on the car as well. BF Goodrich radial TAs. How good can it get? Step in the interior here. You got an aftermarket Kenwood radio. Some speakers in the back there. Some of the kick panels. So this car has some features. You got your gauges there. Mile per hour gauge. It sounds great. There's your climate controls. Heat only car. The gaps line up great. Doors closed nicely. Glass is in good shape. Man, is this a nice car. Come and check this car out before we sell it, because it is not going to last long. It is priced right and it drives great. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We have 250 cars in our stock. Check out the website mgmclassiccars.com or call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. We have special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States directly to your door. Make sure you come on out or check out the website. Keep checking, because we get new cars in almost daily. You are not going to want to miss a thing, because if we don't have what you want now, we most likely will in the future. So just stay tuned, like the YouTube video, subscribe to the channel, keep checking the website. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. I hope to see you guys here at MGM Classic Cars, and I want to see this car in your garage, because it sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Bye-bye, everyone, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.